So Auto Expo is about all sorts of concepts, and Kia has taken that to a new level with a cop car based on the Carens. So this is their lifestyle vehicle that's been out in the market for a bit. It's doing really well, a very well appointed machine. And now we have it as a cop car version over here. This is the police version of the Carens. Looks kind of cool. I love the badging. I love the lights on top. And wouldn't you like to see this running around on our streets? I think the cops would have a great time because it's such a comfortable vehicle to drive. And they would definitely enjoy something that looks as cool as this to be policing our streets, keeping us safe. And yeah, I think very neat. And of course, when you're talking about the police, the ambulance can't be too far behind. And you've got the ambulance version over here, which is again a neat addition and a neat take on what the Carens can be. Obviously, it is a big vehicle, so just to give you a glimpse, in the back over here, you can actually get a full-length stretcher in there. You've got your first aid stuff on board and your life-saving equipment. So really well done. It's something that can be in our market, and I'm quite sure hospitals would really dig this. So interesting concepts. It's not all about futuristic electric EVs sometimes. Sometimes it's about the actual need, and a cop car and an ambulance are definitely two vehicles that are always in demand. And Kia has showcased that the Carens platform can be used for something as funky and cool and useful as this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Do let us know what you think. Would you like a Kia Carens police vehicle? What do you have to say about a Kia Carens ambulance? Do write in. Let us know your thoughts on all of this, and we'll keep coming out with more videos from Auto Expo 2023. So stay tuned.